Hey guys, here's my 10-month review of the Rexing V2 Pro AI Dashcam. I got this about 10 months ago so I could record inside my cabin and also in the front cam as well as the rear of the car. So neat thing about this one, it has two main cameras that could go forward or back. It could rotate, so it could be in cabin or outside. It has a nice rear camera as well. These are all 1080p in resolution. It is kind of big and bulky, but at the same time, you're here to record the inside of the car and also the front, and it's not really noticeable on the outside. Image quality for the front and rear cameras are awesome. Same thing with the IR camera that's supposed to be indoors, but it has this purple glow because of the IR. The TF card is on the top, so is the USB. It's powered by USB or by this adapter it comes with, but I use the USB for my car. It works perfectly fine for the past 10 months. Buttons are easy to push, and you could basically do loop recording, Wi-Fi, GPS. It's all actually built in, so you can transfer your videos directly to your phone. Anyways, guys, I hope this was helpful to you, and it's been working great for the past 10 months. Anyways, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.